Hi everyone. In this video I will discuss about how to prepare a good bacterial smear from a solid and liquid culture and also demonstrate how to perform simple staining. What is smear preparation? Cells from a culture are spread in a thin film over a small area of a microscope slide. First I will explain the requirements needed for the bacterial smear preparation. First is the Bunsen burner, then glass slide, then the wire loop or the disposable loop, then a marker or a wax pencil, then solid or the liquid bacterial culture, sterile water or saline, and also a biohazard autoclavable bag to discard the used disposable loop. Now we can start the procedure. First heat the slide for 2 to 3 times on both sides. This step helps to remove any grease from the slide. If you did not do this step, you will feel a greasy or oily appearance during the smear preparation. Mark, name or number the slide with a marker or a wax pencil. And sterilize the wire loop by holding the loop on the top of the flame for a few seconds till it becomes red hot. After cooling the wire loop, transfer a loop of water or saline to the center of the slide, then again sterilize the wire loop and keep it for cooling. And do not add more water to the slide. If you take more water, more time is needed to dry the slide after the smear preparation. Then open the culture plate and hold the culture plate properly in the hand. You can see different area of the streak culture. So pick the bacteria from a single colony by just touch the loop in the one edge of the colony. And close the plate and transfer the bacteria and mix the specimen with the water completely and spread the drop over a portion of the slide to make a thin film. Then sterilize the wire loop properly on the flame and allow the bacterial film to air dry. It is important to let the smear dry completely. It will take few minutes to dry the slide. Make sure dry the slide only in the room temperature. Once the smear is dried, fix the smear to the slide by passing the bottom of the slide through the burner flame for at least 3 times for 1 second and make sure do not overheat the slide. Overheat can cause the cells will rupture. Allow the smear to cool and now you can see now the smear thickness. This is the thickness of a good bacterial smear. And I will show also a bad smear with more amount of the bacteria. So when you prepare a smear, prepare a thin smear so that you can see the morphology and the arrangements clearly. Next, how to prepare a bacterial smear with liquid bacterial growth with the help of disposable lube. First step is same, heat the slide to remove any grease from the slide and mark the slide with the name or the number. In this procedure, no need to add any water to the slide. You can take the disposable lube from the cover. Transfer a loop full of the broth suspension to the slide. Repeat this procedure to place 2 or more drops to get adequate amount of the bacteria. Then spread the drop of bacteria over a portion of the slide to make a thin film. Once the smear is ready, discard the disposable lube into a biohazard bag immediately. The remaining procedure are same like the previous method. Allow the film to air dry. After air drying, fix the smear to the slide by passing over the flame for at least 3 times for 1 second. Now the slide is ready for staining. Now I will explain how to perform symbol staining. The purpose of the symbol stain is to determine the morphology of the bacteria, including the size, shape and the arrangements. First keep the slide on a staining rack, then select a positively charged symbol stain such as crystal violet, saffron or methylene blue to react with the negative charge of the cell walls. The crystal violet, it is in the violet color or the purple color, saffron which is in the pink red color, and the methylene blue which is in the color, binding the stain to the walls making the bacteria visible. Let's start the procedure. Flood the slide with the stain. Here I use crystal violet in one slide and saffron in the another slide. Transfer the stain in the area where you prepare the smear. Once you transfer the stain, wait for 1 minute. After 1 minute, gently wash the slide with the distilled water or you can use the running tap water. After washing, drain off the excess water. Then you can keep the slide in a slanting position to dry, or you can keep it in the hot plate for a few seconds. Once the slide is completely dry, put a drop of oil and observe the slide under the oil immersion objective lens. So under the microscope you can clearly see the morphology of the bacteria.